Welcome to my comprehensive review of MeisterTask, a platform that claims to simplify task management and improve team collaboration. In this video, I'll take you through the features, interface, and overall usability of MeisterTask, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your workflow. MeisterTask is designed for individuals and teams, offering tools to manage tasks, track progress, and streamline collaboration. I'll start by walking you through the website's interface and layout. When you first open MeisterTask, you'll notice its clean, intuitive design. The dashboard provides an at-a-glance overview of your projects and tasks. One of the standout features is the customizable Kanban-style boards, which allow you to organize tasks in a visual and structured way. This layout makes it easy to drag and drop tasks between columns, update their status, and prioritize effectively. The platform also offers integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, making it adaptable to various workflows. Creating tasks is straightforward. You can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and add detailed descriptions or file attachments. One feature I find particularly useful is the ability to add tags and checklists within tasks, ensuring that even the smallest details are tracked. MeisterTask also supports automation, which can save a lot of time. For example, you can set up recurring tasks or create custom workflows that automatically update task statuses based on certain triggers. This feature is especially beneficial for larger teams managing complex projects. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check those out after watching the video. Another impressive aspect is the collaboration tools. MeisterTask allows you to invite team members to projects, comment on tasks, and share updates in real time. Notifications keep you informed about changes or comments, so nothing falls through the cracks. The mobile app is equally impressive, giving you access to your projects on the go, with almost all the functionality of the desktop version. Pricing is an important consideration for any tool, and MeisterTask offers both free and paid plans. The free plan is quite generous, with basic task management features suitable for personal use or small teams. The paid plans unlock advanced options like timeline views, custom fields, and increased storage, which are ideal for larger teams or more complex projects. While MeisterTask is a strong contender in the task management space, there are some limitations. For instance, advanced reporting features are somewhat lacking compared to competitors. Additionally, the platform might feel overly simplified for users who require detailed project breakdowns or Gantt chart views. Overall, MeisterTask is a versatile and user-friendly tool that works well for individuals and small to medium teams looking to improve productivity and collaboration. Its intuitive design, customization options, and integrations make it a strong choice in the task management space. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of productivity tools and software. Let me know your thoughts about MeisterTask in the comments below.